finding out too late that they lost it. Never let them go. They will never know the ways of love. And got to live in my dreams. And tell me how the people find each other. We must love music in a world of dreams. And got to live in magic. There's something stronger than the moon. Cause it's magic when to I got to believe in magic. Tell me how the people find each other. And on a world that's full of strangers, I got to believe in magic. There's something stronger than the moon above. Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Tell me how the people find each other. In a world that's full of strangers, they got to believe in magic. It's something stronger than the moon above. Cause it's magic when the people fall in love. Thank you. Maraming salamat guys. And all your support to Princess Maniligo. That was Eric Pomeranz. Birthday song. Back to you, host.
Idol, banat lang ng banat, Idol. Kanina pa ako eh. Tsaka may bara yung lalamunan mo. Ikaw na lang, Idol. Total, marami ka namang booking ngayon eh. Ikaw na
Sana
banatan ko.
all.
Tuduhi. Birahe. Birahe,
Thank,
Idol.
thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat sa support mo dyan guys. Yan. Para sa inyong lahat.
May ano yung lalamunan ko? May bara.
Lindsay B. Guam, thank you so much. Kuya Dumas. And Rivers Vlog USA, this song is for you. I have liked this song. Like in a hotel. Can't remember when you were there. When I didn't hear or anyone but you. I swear it taught me everything there is. Can't imagine anything it is. Can't imagine anything that two of us can do. The years you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest things I found with you. Through the years I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made. Times last year. Oh yeah. I say with you. The years. Alright, thank you. Maraming salamat guys and support yan. Rivers Vlog, thank you so much of USA. And remember what I used to do. Who I trusted you. I listened to people. Oh yeah, let's go back to ayan, Rivers Vlog USA request.
Bari Manilaw daw. Bari Manilaw.
Yeah, this song is for you.
Dikit naman guys. Dikit naman guys kay CC Rivers Vlog USA guys.
We had the right love at the wrong time. Yes, I know inside